Broadreach Nature Visionberry. Hi, my name's Dr. Barbara Fougere. I'm the in-house veterinarian for Broadreach Nature. My background is that I have been a veterinary surgeon for over 35 years and a veterinary herbalist for the past 25 years. And I want to talk to you today about Visionberry and how it can be very useful for supporting eye health for your cat or dog. So why Visionberry? Visionberry is a Broadreach Nature product that's designed to specifically support and focus on eye health, to support both cats and dogs with eye conditions like dry eye, inflammatory eye conditions, cataracts, degenerative eye disorders, and also age-related changes which affect nearly all of our senior animals. Visionberry is veterinary formulated and we're using the power of phytochemicals. So phytochemicals comes from the word phyto, meaning plant, and chemicals. So these are plant-based chemicals that occur in the ingredients that we've chosen for Visionberry. We do have a special blend called VCHM, and that blend is a blend of various herbs that provide antioxidants to support healthy vision and normal eye function. And so this provides a nutritional approach to supporting eye health. These are supplements you can add to the diet to be given on a daily basis, and the nutritional approach means that it's also a very safe approach. Visionberry is manufactured under strict guidelines which are called GMP. They are non-GMO and none of the ingredients are irradiated. We actually use human grade ingredients. So you're probably familiar with the symptoms that can occur with changes in vision in our animals. These can include things like changes in behavior, getting a little bit lost sometimes, potentially running into things, having some trouble locating toys. Sometimes it can be increased anxiety, or they might be a bit clingy and they want to stay close by. Rarely, occasionally, you might see aggressive behavior simply because they can get startled. They don't see things coming their way. So vision is something that we want to protect to ensure optimal wellness and comfort and happiness in our animals. In order to discuss how the ingredients work, we need a quick overview of the anatomy of the eye. The dark center of the eye is the pupil. It corresponds to our pupils as well. The color that we see around the eye is the iris. The conjunctiva is the pink tissue that we see in the bottom eyelid, and the sclera is the white part of the eye that we can sometimes see as well. Now, right at the back of the eyeball is a surface called the retina, and this is quite important. The retina is a light sensitive tissue at the back of the eye, and it is actually responsible for transmitting what we see to the back of the brain through the optic nerve. So let's look at some of the ingredients, and the first one is blueberry. Yep, these are the same blueberries that you have for breakfast sometimes. However, the blueberry that we've incorporated into the product is a very concentrated form, and it's essentially allows us to give small doses with a very effective dose. Blueberries help maintain the health of blood vessels and help prevent retinal disease, that lining at the back of the eye. And the pigments called anthocyanins can improve visual function. So blueberry phytochemicals can protect the cornea on the surface of the eye, and they have antioxidant and anti-aging effects. And there's a chemical called psilocybin, which is a natural component of blueberries, and it can prevent inflammation on the surface of the eye. And therefore it might be useful for animals with dry eye. Goji berry is a really quite famous berry that's been used in China literally for thousands of years. And it's a source of zeaxanthin and lutein. Now, these are two phytochemicals that can improve the health of the retina, and research supports this. Goji also contains other phytochemicals that are anti-inflammatory, and those combination of phytochemicals help protect the retina and improve retinal function. They decrease the risk of cataracts, they help prevent the loss of vision, and they help retinal disease that's caused by diabetes. Goji berries can also help alleviate dry eye. They're anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial components. And in one little study on rats with dry eye, the Schirmer tear test, which is a test we use in the veterinary clinic to check on tear flow, it increased significantly after 1 week. So it can work quite quickly. Now, spirulina is a microalgae that you may recognise and have used. And you can see from the picture that it looks like a spiral, and that's how it got its name. It contains a high concentration of zeaxanthin, which is a really potent phytochemical that supports eye health. It contains other phytochemicals that benefit diseases of the cornea. It can help protect against corneal injury and can retard the development of cataracts. Parsley you would be very familiar with. And did you know that it contains high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin as well that supports healthy vision? It's a potent antioxidant, and it can help protect against eye conditions that are caused by oxidative stress. And that can happen through things like exposure to sunlight, exposure to pollution, things like smoke, and other detrimental pollutants that are in the air. It also contains other phytochemicals that are anti-inflammatory. Saccharomyces is a beneficial yeast that in adult dogs, when you supplement their diets with it, can positively alter the gut microbiome, and that enhances immunity and also reduces inflammation. And there is one study that shows that Saccharomyces can reduce eye irritation and eye discharge due to seasonal allergies. So if your pet's affected by seasonal allergies, this combination of ingredients and the contribution of Saccharomyces will help with eye irritation due to seasonal allergies. Ginger is a really amazing herb. It's actually the rhizome that we use, and ingredients in the rhizome help protect against cataracts as well as oxidative stress that causes damage to the retina. So it has a very good protective effect. Turmeric, you're also probably familiar with. This is Curcuma longa, and there are studies that show turmeric and curcumin, which is the pigment in turmeric, protect vision, protect the cornea, and protect against cataracts. Taurine is an amino acid that's in the diet, but it's also the most abundant amino acid in the retina. So taurine helps protect the retina, particularly from diabetic damage. And taurine is known for its neuroprotective or nerve protective properties and antioxidant properties. So it can help prevent damage to the optic nerve and the retina. So you can see that all the ingredients in Visionberry all contribute protective effects that support eye health. It's very easy to mix with food. It is a potent formula, so we can use low doses and rely on the synergy between the ingredients in the product to have their effect. It's a natural, nutritional approach to supporting eye health and vision. It's very safe, it's well tolerated, and easy to use. We've mentioned before that it is non-GMO, non-irradiated, and made under good manufacturing practice. So if your animal suffers from any eye condition, then this will specifically support eye health. So if they've got dry eye, an inflammatory eye condition, maybe they're a diabetic with cataracts, or you're concerned about them developing an eye condition, then Visionberry is very much about optimizing eye health. And with the ingredients in there, the research tells us that these ingredients can help protect against damage to the eyes and deterioration of vision. If you'd like more information, please contact us at Broadreach Nature. Bye for now.